we are at the Wyndham Grand Hotel Tbilisi, ready for this evening's event, Under the Looking Glass.
And I love looking for these international opportunities. So it's really great to get to meet so many other people that have so many different backgrounds, and really it's almost like the whole world is here in a certain sense, because all these travelers are coming to meet each other.
Hi, I'm Rita from Iran. I'm very happy to be here tonight because I can meet people from all over the world.
My name is Anna, I'm from Georgia. So I'm a new member of this society, and I really appreciate such opportunity, and I think that it will be very helpful to make some networking and spend a good time together.
My name is Ali Sharifpour. I'm Iranian American. I live here in Tbilisi.
Okay, and I know you speak a little bit of Italian. I was very impressed with that. I'm Italian American. So is this your first InterNations event?
This is my second one. I came last month. This is the second time.
Okay. Well, you're living in Georgia or where?
Yeah, I'm living here.
Okay. Well, of course, our function here is to introduce you to new people, and hopefully you're networking and meeting some new people and having a good time.
Yeah, thank you very
We
much.
look forward to having you back at our next event.
Grazie mille.
Prego, prego.
Sarah from Iran. This is my first time to came to InterNation events, and it's really nice. I'm really happy to be here. Thank you.
Thank you.